In this quick video, I'm going to explain to you guys how to get your archived photos back on Instagram. And it is actually really easy, but let's get started right away. So let's say this post is archived, just like this. That's now been archived, and we want this post back. All you have to do basically is click on the three stripes at the top right corner, click on archive right here, and make sure at the top post is selected right here. If you select stories, yeah, of course you will only see the stories, but you make sure to click on post, and all your archived posts are right here. So just click on it, and as you can see, this is the post. Click on the three dots and then click on show on profile, and this will basically just unarchive it. And if you go back, the actual post is back on my page again. So that is basically it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.